As you continue to breathe, imagine yourself stepping away beyond the boundaries of fear. Hello, I am Deborah Wilder, meditation teacher. I'm also an indoor and outdoor rock climber. I have much experience around handling fear. Fear of heights, fear of falling, injury, fear of not completing a climb, fear of giving up, looking lame, not being able to complete a challenging climb, uncertainty on whether I have the strength or mental skill to figure out the puzzle. I want to talk about some of the ways to handle fear in everyday life that I've learned from rock climbing, so fear or uncertainty. And this will look like an active meditation, not totally silent. It's also a tantric meditation. The first thing I do is take 2 long breaths, centering myself wherever I am. Next, confront the fear. If I am far off the ground climbing, then I look down and acknowledge the ground rather than ignoring it is there. Sometimes the thought is worse than the reality. Now, disclaimer, that one will not work for everyone climbing. In everyday life, that looks like us exploring the source of the fear. Where is it coming from? See the fear as a separate entity, not you. Why is it there? Acknowledge it without judgment. View the fear as a valuable messenger. How can it help you with lessons or moving forward in life? Thank this fear for keeping you safe. Truly face this fear, walk toward it. What does it look like? Remind yourself that you are not the fear. Move on to cultivating inner strength. Know that you have overcome fear and uncertainty in your past with strength and belief. And the next step is actually breathing that fear out of your body. Breathe it out. Move it out of the part of your body or chakra that it feels stuck in. Often it's in the gut or solar plexus, which is a constant reminder, seeing that it constricts our breathing and digestion. So you want to breathe that out of your solar plexus, gut, or wherever it is. If you have time, ending with some affirmations of empowerment is great. Repeating these empowering affirmations helps to reinforce courage and determination. And these can sound like, I am strong, capable, and resilient in the face of fear. I embrace fear as an opportunity for growth and transformation. I have the wisdom to confront my fears with compassion and curiosity. I release fear's hold on me and embrace the freedom of my true self. I trust in my ability to navigate life's challenges with grace and strength, or simply, I can complete this. See yourself as a strong, energized person. See that. As you continue to breathe, imagine yourself stepping away beyond the boundaries of fear. Visualize a vast landscape stretching out before you. See yourself fiercely exploring new horizons, embracing the adventures with open arms, knowing that you have all the inner resources needed to overcome fear and embrace the fullness of life. Carry the sense of empowerment with you, knowing that you are the master of your emotions and the architect of your destiny. Remember, you are capable, you are resilient, and you are free. Embrace the journey ahead with an open heart and a fearless spirit. Namaste. Thank you for joining me on this discussion around fear and uncertainty, and I hope me sharing my rock climbing uses will help you and your everyday facing of fear, or maybe even trying some rock climbing. Namaste again.